Hey, what's up, people? It's me again. See, um, my friend gave me this weed whacker. Uh, they haven't used it in about a year. It's an Echo, a good one. So it doesn't start. So I already took this off, the little screen that goes in here. So you see, we got a new spark plug now, and we're gonna try to take the whole muffler out to see if there's anything weird, dirt, anything. To see if we could fix it. The carburetor, we got to clean it. We got some of this carburetor cleaner. Hopefully it'll come back to life. And the filter inside here, I gotta get it with a little metal hanger or something. It's somewhere in there. I have to look for it inside the gas tank. Hopefully it starts. And because these machines are like $300, so hopefully I get to fix it with a little bit of money that I spend. All right, people. Bye.